Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to remove user from Workspace. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Slack application or go to Slack website from your browser. Once you have logged into your account, this type of interface will appear in your screen. From the left side of your screen, you can see your workspace. Choose any workspace from which you want to remove user from. Then click to the name of workspace from here. Then you can see tool and setting option. Then this type of drop down menu will appear in your screen. From there, click to manage member from administration section. Then it will redirect you to this kind of page. Here it will view you all the members of your workspace. Hover your mouse to the member which you want to remove and you can see this type of 3-dot button. Click on it, then click to remove user from workspace. To confirm the removal, click to remove again, then the member will be removed. This is how you can remove user from workspace in Slack. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment, and do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.